This is Pranav Guha Thakurta. With us is Mr. Nanda, Mr. Saurabh Nanda, the famous education psychologist and career counselor. Sir, this year is not a normal year. Our students who have passed the class 12 and graduation. Both the categories of students are unaware of what kind of job they can look for and what kind of higher education courses they can look for. We request you to advise these students. I'm sure a lot of students and parents will be getting your help for the same. Sir.
First of all, thank you so much, Thakurta sir and EduTV for having me here and giving me this opportunity to address so many students. Your question is very relevant, sir. In fact, a lot of policymakers, educators, they have been calling this year a 0 year. Mark it as a 0 year, right? So the other day, I saw the president of All India Parents Association said that CBSE and UGSE, everyone should declare this as a 0 year. But declaring it as a 0 year doesn't really help most of us. Yes, it is a problematic year, but I want all the students to think what is the one thing which is constant during all this uncertainty. The only thing which is constant during all this uncertainty is uncertainty itself.
Correct.
So when you don't know what is going to happen, you know that, okay, I'm not sure whatever is going to happen. So you have to be prepared for more than one thing. Earlier, we were all comfortable in our, classes. Okay, after class, I'll take the test. I will go for this course or I will go for this job. But now we know none of that is possible. So now the only thing constant is uncertainty. How do we deal with this? There are a few things that all of you need to know, whether you're in school or you're in college. First of all, you need to understand what will happen after COVID-19. After COVID-19, there will be three kinds of job options, three kinds. First is go digital. All right. That means if you are interested in technology, then just go for it. It can be any type of technology, any level in technology. It can be social media marketing. You can become a WhatsApp expert for helping people to understand how to use WhatsApp for business. Or you can become a programmer and develop AI algorithms. Or you can become an engineer and develop electric vehicles so that Atmanirbhar Bharat can be possible. So that is going digital. The second type of job opportunity is becoming more human. So yes, technology, robots, machines, they can help us to a certain extent in solving our problems, but they cannot solve problems where human emotions, human interactions are involved. So we need more counselors. We need better teachers. We need more mental health workers. We need more social workers. We need more people who can understand somebody's problem and then find a solution or bring them to a solution. So go towards that. If you are an empathetic person, just go towards that, invest in that, and 5 years down the line, you will see you will reach a very, very important position in society. And the third important career aspect, which is going to be the most important aspect after COVID-19, is joining these two earlier job options. That means if there is a digital solution available and somebody is having a human problem, then you can become the bridge between technology and humans. So one example I take usually is like, for example, we have all understood the most important grocery shop for all of us is the neighborhood Kiryana shop, right? The neighborhood grocery shop. Now, just imagine if you can create solutions for that Kiryana shop. If there is a way where the Kiryana shop can update all the customers in that colony or locality or society that today this much is available, this much atta is available, this much dal is available, and so on. Right? It's a good idea, right? And you know what? Google is already doing this now. So you can be part of that team with Google. So Google is working right now. They are working on software which will help all the cigarette and pan walas. It will help all the rickshaw walas. It will help all the people who push carts to sell vegetables and other things. Now, this is about the future of jobs, right? Now, how do we deal with it? Because, well, okay, so that is 5 years down the line. That is too far away. I don't understand it. And I'm already very stressed. Completely understood. Now, models have already been created. One model is, in any good MBA school, you will see that they don't have semesters. They have terms of 3 months, or some colleges even have terms for less months, like ISB. So treat this year like that MBA. You have to make goals for 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, and then see what is the situation around. What is the government saying now? What is my university saying? What is the company who's going to employ me is saying? If the situation is good for you, great. Otherwise, make another plan for more 3 months. So do it term wise. Treat this year, maybe more than 1 year, as that MBA where every 3 months you have goals. Now, what kind of goals? First of all, understand yourself better. Gone are those days where you thought that getting into a good engineering or a good BBA or a good law school will get you somewhere in life. Or the biggest mentality that we have is, if we get into a good college, then we will figure out what to do. School is like that only. After getting into college, we will see what to do. Gone are those years. Because guess what, the school students and the college students, they are sitting at home looking at the computer or their smartphone to try and understand something. You are in the same boat. I am working with 14-year-old 15-year-old students who are making websites for me where I can help people with mental health issues. So if you are a 22-year-old, 24-year-old pass out of college, you are already 8 years, 9 years behind them, right? So gone are those days. Stop thinking about those colleges like that. Which skills do you need? First of all, you need to know how to brand yourself. What do you do? How do you tell the world what you do? All right. Secondly, which skills you can use while sitting at home. These are the two things you should focus on first. After you understand which skills are good for you, not everyone can be good in writing. Not everyone is interested in website development. Not everyone is interested in calling people and asking them what they need. So what do you need? You need to first of all understand that. After you understand that, then we move towards what can help you now, what can help you 6 months down the line, what can help you 2 years down the line, which university is better now, which company is better now, and so on.
Thank you so much, sir. Your solutions were very relevant, and maybe half of a sentence can change many lives. I request you to be again at our channel and update our students about new job openings, new courses, new trainings. Thank you so much. This is Pranav Thakurta, and I thank Mr. Saurabh Nanda. Thank you, sir.